Hello everyone, welcome to Astrology for You. Today we have Dr. KVN Prasad sir with us. Hello sir, hope you are doing well and safe.
Thank you, Narsimhan. Good evening, viewers. Good morning, viewers. Good morning to everybody. Yeah, I'm doing good. Hope the same from you, Narsimhan.
Yes sir. In our last session we had discussed about the importance of the transits.
Mm-hmm.
So you had explained us why the transits are always taken based on the moon Rashi
Correct.
and not from the Lagna.
Correct.
So,
Right.
in continuation to that session, today let us discuss on the importance of the Sade Sati.
Mm-hmm.
So every year, any common man would expect three major transits. One is the Saturn transit, the second one is the Jupiter transit, and third one is the Rahu Ketu transit. So every year, we expect if there is a transit happening. So this year, luckily or unfortunate, I don't know what to say, but we have all these
All
three
the three
transits
happened.
in 2020. Normally when Saturn transits the 12th house, the first house, and the second house from the moon Rashi,
Correct.
we consider it as Sade Sati.
Correct.
So normally all people have a fear when these 7.5 years come. What is your view on that, sir?
Okay.
And why this Sade Sati is not considered when Saturn transits the 12th house, the ascendant, and the second house?
Okay, sure. So very good question, Narsimhan. But you have asked a lot of questions. Let me answer
Yeah,
one by one. In
sure,
case I forget to answer any questions, please remind me. Okay.
sure.
First thing is you asked about. Let me answer that last question first, and then I will go to the Sade Sati effect. So
Okay,
the first thing you asked why Sade Sati effect is not being considered from Lagna but only from the moon sign. That is the Janma Rashi, right? In our classic text, that is what is mentioned and that is what it has been followed. Right? So, for example, even in Varahamira's book, he has mentioned transits and then straight away he has mentioned, okay, take from the moon transits only. Why that is there? The reason was not given, but I gave my own explanation in my previous video. But in my practical experience, uh, by when we look when I'm on to time an event, predict the event, basically whether a person comes to me, he is struggling from his career. Okay, when will I get a job? When will I change my job? Or when will I get promotion? When will my marriage happen? When will my children? I'll get children. So many questions everybody have, right? So when I'm doing those predictions, I found if you take from the uh, lagna, right? So basically, thing is you superimpose your in the charts. So your dasha bhukti periods are there, and then whatever periods it is going, and then you look at the transits of those planets of dasha
yeah,
bhukti and antardasha. Let's say, for example, let us take somebody is running shukra dasha, and then bhukti is say Saturn, and then antardasha is Jupiter. Okay,
mm,
so if these Venus, Saturn, and Jupiter in the transits also, if they are getting connected, then that event happens. So basically, whether it is you are considering from the moon sign or lagna sign, it really doesn't matter at all. When the to pinpoint the event, to get that opportunity to happen, if those three planets, dasha, I mean Mahadasha planet, the Bhukti planet, and Antardasha planet, three levels, right? One, two, three. If these three planets are connected in the Gochara, the transits, then the event happens, right?
okay,
So that is what I have seen. The moon predictions, it will give some indication to us what
okay,
changes are going to come or what type of opportunities one is going to get. That I've explained in my previous video. That is what it
yeah,
will tell. But again, Opportunities are there, like I said in the thing, right? You want to eat a meal, you have hunger, you need to have hunger, and you need to have money, resources to buy the food, and then the restaurant should be open. And when the restaurant is open, you have to go inside and you need to have the food whatever you wanted. Say you wanted
Yeah.
to eat biryani, and if that biryani is not there, you find all only vegetarian restaurants, your biryani is gone. You cannot expect mutton biryani or whatever non-vegetarian food. Then you are forced to eat vegetarian food, right? So all
Yes.
that will happen in that. So in my opinion, what I have seen is uh, the moon transit things doesn't work always, and then so it has to be connected with the dasha period planets. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then the other first question you asked, why people are scared about Sade Sati, right? Why this thing? I will tell you just a very simple example I will give. Saturn is the karma karaka, right? He keeps
Mm.
track of all our karma, what we are doing and all. So during the Sade Sati time period, so basically he watches and he warns us if we are not following the karma and the dharma. Right? If we are deviating from these two, then he will take a whip and then puts us straight. He's like a teacher, especially like a
Okay.
maths teacher, right? Everybody is scared about maths teacher, right? Most of the people, not very few
Yeah.
people
Yeah.
will like maths teacher, but most of the people are scared about maths teacher. Why? Most of the time, maths teachers are very strict. They will say if you put a sum as wrong, wrong means wrong, there is nothing in between, right? Same thing, Saturn is like that only. So just because a maths teacher scolds you, gives punishment, whatever, if we don't do the sum properly, the same thing Saturn also does that. So Saturn gives the opportunity for us to correct ourselves, transform ourselves. He gives the opportunity for us to do. If you follow that, and if you follow the karma and dharma very religiously, very dutifully, then you will get enormous results,
Okay.
unimaginable results. I have seen in my own personal life, I'm seeing in other people's life as well. I can give you
Okay.
two examples for this real life right now happening. Okay. Number one, Indian Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. He is running Sade Sati for the past 5.5 years. Okay,
Yes.
Then you have seen. I don't have to explain what he has got in the last 5.5 years. Right, number one. Another person, U.S. President Donald Trump. He is also running Sade Sati. I don't have to explain again what Sade Sati has given to him, right? So, but one thing is for sure, during Sade Sati period, the person has to slog like anything. You have to put in lot of efforts. There will be lot of physical strain, lot of nothing will come that easy. Basically, Saturn is testing you, or whether you are able to cope up with that. Whoever copes up with that, they will be rewarded exponentially without their imagination. If they wanted $1 million, they will get more than $1 million. I'm just giving an example, so that
Okay.
people can understand. But the key thing is follow the karma and dharma. If you are not following anything, you are doing some shortcuts, or you are, not following the rules and all that, just set it out. He is giving a warning sign. He is making sure that you fall in line, so that you can perform the next good karma, so that our life will be better. Okay.
Okay. Very well explained, sir. So the Sade Sati period is not going to be troublesome for everyone, as you said.
Right.
So if we follow the rules, and if we are in align with the Saturn's roles and responsibilities, then we can convert our obstacles also to opportunities, as you said.
Yes. Rightly said. Correct. You understood.
Okay. Yes, yes. One more question, sir. In the last session, you had mentioned about the transits are going to give us the opportunities.
Correct.
No, whenever we try to predict any event in our own lives. So,
Correct.
how do you relate the transits and the Vimshottari Dasha system?
Okay, okay. So before I can answer that, the Vimshottari Dasha system is the most popular Dasha system that we are following in Kali Yuga. But actually,
Okay,
there are hundreds of Dasha systems are there. Okay, in that, finally, 32 Dashas are documented. Okay,
okay,
there are many of. I'm not going to list out all those 32 Dasha systems. In the 32 Dasha systems, Vimshottari Dasha is very popular, and then we are
okay,
using that Dasa system, right? So, and Vimshottari Dasa system, that again, like I was telling you, Mahadasha is like a CEO of the organization, right? He commands, and then everybody has to listen. And then your Bhukti is like your department head, the next
okay,
level, CXO, other next tier person, right? And then your Antardasha is like your manager, your immediate manager. So as an
okay,
employee, I have 3 levels of bosses, right? So then I have to work within the rules what they have put for me. Whatever the work they are giving me, that only I can do. So right, on top of that, so basically what happens is, like, I mean, again, I was telling you, let's say if somebody wants to know when the person gets a job, so all these 3 planets have to make that event. It
mm,
should these planets should give enough strength for that to betterment of their career. All right, so betterment of their job change, like that. Along with that, and again, the transit planets also are needed. It needs transit planets help as well. If all matches, then that person will get whatever he or she wants. All right, that is why you see sometimes what happens is when the Dasha Bhukti planets are strong, because they are influencing. Even if you don't have the transit, also you will get. But what happens is it may not be 100%. There will be something missing. You will be
okay,
forced to take certain jobs. Or like, or whatever. Say for example, instead of somebody wants to come to US, let's say from India for on-site opportunity. Okay, the Dasha system. Okay, he has to go to foreign land, right? But he wanted to come to US. But instead of getting opportunity in US, he may get opportunity in some other country.
okay,
Okay, so the Dasha system, I mean, the Dasha Bhukti, Mahadasha, those things, what is the planets our chart say? The native has to go to foreign land. Okay,
okay,
that is for sure. So then this transit and all this, if it adds, then they may go to their wish. Say that person wants to come to US, or vice versa. They say he wants to go to Australia, but he will get US opportunity. Whatever, right?
okay,
His friends might be there in Australia, or also he might be having other preferences. So whatever the native wants, he may not get, but at the same time, his the actual going to foreign land, foreign opportunity, that will be fulfilled. So that's how
okay,
it works, like in conjunction with all that. Then only that is what it will
okay.
happen, right? When, okay, whether to get whatever we wanted, or how will happen or not. All these 3 factors should be there.
Okay, okay. So let's say, for example, when we have a 2 year or 3 year time period, the Mahadasha and the Antardasha,
Mhm.
so this transit will narrow down uh, a particular time for that event to happen. Is
uh,
it right, sir?
it may not be there. No, no.
Okay,
That duration will be fixed by the Dasha Bhukti Antardasha period only.
okay,
Okay, it
okay,
won't. But the choice of your location, the choice of your project will be different.
okay, okay,
Okay, that is what it will happen. But for
okay,
as long as that period is there, they will be in that place only. In fact, one of my client, then he was here and his visa got expired, H1 whatever he completed thing. Then he wanted to analyze his chart, then he gave to me, then I saw that. Then I said, okay, so you may be going, like, I don't remember which year it is, but I remember the date. I said August 13, right? Then he said, I've booked my ticket on August 13
Okay.
from US to India. Then I told him, like, I mean, you will come back as well, after, that period. So basically his Dasha period ended exactly.
Okay.
Then I told them this is the date. And that is the date he booked his ticket. I didn't know about
Okay.
when he booked his ticket. Then he said, yeah, that is the date I'm flying to India. So that is what, that period is completely depends on the Dasha periods only. The transit
Okay.
doesn't control that.
Okay. 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 Thank you so much, sir. It was really an interactive session today. See you in another session sometime. Yeah.
Yep. Thank you very much, Narasimhan, and thanks for asking little more, even deeper questions. We will catch up on some other time on little more deeper questions and interactions. Thank you.
Sure, sir.
Talk to you
Thank
soon.
you.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
If you need astrology or palmistry consultation, please call me at 408-909-5867 or contact me on my website www.astrology4u.us. Thank you for watching again. Let's catch up on some other time.